die Verbrennung der Amerikaner.
What is up, my beautiful mates of YouTube? My name is Aussie Marcel, and in today's video I'm going to be unboxing and sharing my first impressions of Police to be Super Pure, the new vegan eco-friendly fragrance by Police, so similar in vein to Police to be Green. But before I talk about this, I just want to let you guys know that if you haven't entered the fragrance sample giveaway yet, today is your very last day. I was going to pull all the names out of a hat today. I've got them right there on an A4 sheet of paper. But I thought I'd give you guys one more day to enter it, just in case somebody hasn't seen one of those videos where I announced the giveaway or something like that. So to enter the giveaway, you've got to be subscribed to the channel, you've got to be in Australia, and just drop a comment below saying that you're entering the giveaway. I'm going to add your name to the list, and then I'm going to be pulling them from a hat tomorrow. So it's that simple. Guys, if you haven't entered, please consider doing so. So Police to be Super Pure. Now, I was a big fan of Police to be Green. I think it's easily their best fragrance just because it isn't a synthetic sweet mess like they usually are. I mean, it was basically a clone of CK1, which is a fantastic, iconic unisex fragrance. So I've got high hopes for Police to be Super Pure. The packaging and presentation is pretty typical for Police. You've got the skull on the front, but the difference with this one is that it is 15% corn, 40% recycled, 100% green energy was used, and 20% carbon footprint. It's got a European patent, GMO free. So, and also, the most important thing here, vegan okay, which you'll love to see. You know, being a vegan, my preference is always going to be vegan products. Products that I know do not have any animal cruelty, animal use, animal byproducts involved in the production. So I'm a fan of the presentation. The Police line is either a love it or a hate it affair, especially the bottle, which we'll get into right now. So as you can see, it's well packed. These are always well packed. And here's the bottle. Like I said, it's a love it or hate it thing. I like them. I used to think they were kind of terrible, but you know, seeing a skull makes you feel like Shakespeare a little bit, you know. So I will be trying it out on a tester strip and on my skin because, contrary to some belief, there is actually a difference to how fragrances smell on a tester strip and on your skin. Also, the little dangly skull is a kind of cool addition. Solid atomizer. Always impressive, their atomizers. And one on the skin. Definitely unisex. Definitely unisex. More aromatic than Police to be Green from memory. That one had sort of like a, you know, CK1 vibe with a touch of vanilla to it. This one is distinctly more aromatic. And to my nose, it actually smells more green as well. It does lean a little feminine. I get some florals here, some rose. It's almost like an orange blossom sort of vibe as well. Now I'll try it on my skin. It does come across as slightly sweeter and more soapy off of my skin. It's still very fresh, very clean. This is going to be a versatile fragrance, ideal for the warmer weather, so it's just hit summer here in Australia. Being summer, you know, you want a fresh and clean fragrance. This is going to fit that bill perfectly. And at $20 Australian from Chemist Warehouse, at the $20 price point, you can pick up pretty much any Police fragrance at Chemist Warehouse. My recommendation will be Police to be Green or Police to be Super Pure, which is this one right here, just because these are the most natural smelling. I'm a fan of this one. I do have a little bit of a bias considering it's vegan and it's eco-friendly, but the fragrance itself is nice. It's, you know, not cloying, it's not overly synthetic, which I feel like at the $20 price point, you do get a lot of synthetic, you do get a lot of sweetness, but with these fragrances in particular, to be Green and to be Super Pure, they're unisex, you know, they express themselves in a very understated way, so they're going to be safe in the work environment as well. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with these fragrances. This one in particular, I would pick over to be Green, but then again, maybe you want something that's a little on the fresher side, and I think to be Green is fresher. But either way, you can't really go wrong, especially at $20 Australian. So until the next video, my name is Aussie Marcel, and I'll catch you guys around.